This is a short video on how to simulate the toss of 2 dice using Excel. You'll see column A I have labeled face 1 and column B I have labeled face 2. To simulate a 6-sided die, I can use the function randbetween. So equals RANDBETWEEN. So randbetween, all one word. The lowest face value is 1 and the highest face value is 6. The function randbetween selects a random integer between the lowest value and the highest value. So randbetween 1 and 6, that gives us a random selection for the first die. I'm going to repeat it over here, equals randbetween 1, 6, and this will give us a random selection for the second die. Notice that when I hit enter, the value for face 1 changed as well. This is Excel repeating the function every time something new happens. So if I take this and drag the function down so that I roll the first die 10 times, you'll see it changed all the face values here and it changed the values here as well. To bring down the second one, since there's already data in column A, all I have to do is double click on this little box in the lower right corner, and this fills it in down here as well. Now this is cool. Every time I did it, I got new face values. But of course, if I'm going to keep working in Excel, I want my random face values to happen once and then stay the same. The Excel assignment that you'll be working on, I'm going to have you copy all of the data here, and then move it over and just paste the values. So now if I click in the original column A, it's still the randbetween function, but if I click in column D, it's the face value that I got out from a previous toss. In row 2, 5 and 1, that came from a single toss of 2 dice. Then 6 and 6 came from another toss of 2 dice, then 3 and 3, and so on. If I want to find the sum of the face values, all I need to do is add up what I had in this cell for D and what I have over here in column E for the second die. Here are the sum of my face values. Once I have the sum of my face values, in your Excel, you're going to make bins from 1 to 6, and then run data analysis on all of these sums and make a histogram. That is what's going on with randbetween. Randbetween selects a random integer between the two limits you give it. You can do the same thing to simulate tossing a 20-sided die, but then it would be randbetween 1 to 20, or however many sided die you want. Enjoy!